Hi there everyone and welcome. Do you want to create and deploy your own scientific calculator? If so, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your own scientific calculator just like this one using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The best part is you can use this application in your portfolio to stand out from the crowd. So from here, to create this calculator app, you don't need an HTML skill, you don't need any CSS skill, even you don't need any JavaScript skill. I'm gonna show you from scratch. Here is my advice for you. Do not try to learn any programming language without doing projects just like this one. It takes a long time to master it. So I strongly recommend you try to learn any programming language by doing different projects. By doing this, you can master that programming language in a short period of time. That's why I make this project for you to master this programming language, right? Oh yeah, before directly jump right into the video, let me show you how this application works. Alright, as you can see here is the application, right? We have different mathematical operations right here, and you can delete any number, you can clear any number just like this one. Alright, so to create this application, it's better to divide this video into 3 sections. In the first section, we are going to create the HTML part for this application. In the second section of this video, we are going to create the CSS part for this application. And lastly, in the last section, we are going to make this application interactive using plain JavaScript. That's it. The good news is I put the source code inside this video description, so you can go ahead and download it. With that being said, now let's jump right into the video. First, open up your favorite code editor. For the time being, I'm going to use VS Code. So from here, open a project folder right here. Let's say calculator app, and then inside this folder we need to have 3 documents. The first one is index.html, so we are going to create index.html. After that, press the shift and the number 1 key on your window, then press tab. So here we have the basic HTML document. Now let me change the title of the project. Let me say calculator app using JavaScript. Oh yeah, inside this body element, we are going to create a div element having a class name, let me say calculator container. From this final demo, as you can see here, we have an input field and we have different buttons right here. So to create this input field, we are going to use an input element right here. So input, then the type for this input is text. After that, the placeholder, let me say 0. Oh yeah, open this with live server. Oh yeah, here we have the input field right here. Now we are going to create these buttons right here. In the first row, we have AC button, we have the delete button, we have the percentage button, and we have the division button right here. So to create this, we are going to nest this button inside a div element. So first we are going to create a div element. Let me say having a class name. Let me say calculator button. Inside this, we need to have 4 buttons. Button, then let me say LC button, then again button, let me say delete button. After that we have the third button right here, percentage button, and we have the division button right here. Here we have the buttons which is found in the first row, right? Oh yeah, now let me create the buttons which is found in the second row. So copy this and paste right here. Now change the text which is shown in the button 7, 8, 9, and then we have a multiplication operation. Here we have. After that, copy this again and paste right here. We have 4, 5, 6, and the minus operation right here. Oh yeah, after that, copy this again and paste right here. Here we have 3, 2, 1, and here we have the addition operator right here. Now we need one more. Copy this and paste right here. Here we have 0, pi, dot, and then we have equal right here. When I save and refresh the web page, here we have. Oh yeah, this is the HTML part for this calculator application. In the next section, we are going to style these buttons right here. Now, first, we are going to create style.css document right here. Style.css. Now, we are going to link this style.css with an index.html document using a link tag inside the head element right here. Alright, as you can see here, this index.html and style.css are found in the same directory. That's why the value for the href attribute is simply style.css. After that, now using this universal selector right here, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box. Now again using this body element selector right here, body, font size 60 pixel, and the background color, let me use the background color spread radially. Here we have, right? Then background repeat, no repeat, background size, cover, background position, center, width 100%, height 100, viewport height. After that, save and refresh the web page. Here we have. Now we are going to make these items positioned in the center. So to do this, we are going to use this class selector, calculator container, position absolute, top 50%, left 50%, transform, translate in the x direction by minus 50% and in the y direction by minus 50%. Box shadow 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 40 pixel having a shadow color black. Then the width for this container, let me say 420 pixel. Now we are going to align these items in the column. So to do this, we use display, flex, align items, center, justify content, center. So before that, when I save and refresh, here we have. So now we are going to align these items in the column direction. So to do this, we are going to use another flex property, which is flex direction column, border radius 20 pixel. And now we are going to add padding 20 pixel right here. After that, over here, we are going to add a background color right here, which is spread radially. Now, when I save and refresh, here we have, right? Now, let me style this input field. So to do this, we are going to use this input element selector. So input, then padding 8 pixel from top and bottom, 20 pixel from left and right. Outline none, font size to rim, which is 2 times 60 pixel, which is the global font size, which is found inside the body element selector. Then padding 10 pixel, border none, background transparent, text align right, text align to the right, and width for this input field 25 rim, box shadow again 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 40 pixel having a shadow color gray, the text color white. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have. When I type writing over here, from the keyboard over here, the typing starts from the right and goes to the left, since we use text align right. You see? Now we are going to style the placeholder right here, which is 0 right here. So to do this, placeholder, input placeholder, text align right, color dark gray, font size to rim. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have. Now let me style the button right here. So to style these buttons, we are going to use this class selector calculator button. So calculator button, and now let me add subproperty value pair, display, flex, justify content, a space between, align items, center, padding 10 pixel, border none, and background transparent. The width for this, let me say 25 rim, which is 25 times the global font size 60 pixel, which we have just set inside the body element selector, right? After that, when I save and refresh the web page, here we have, right? That's it. Now, having this, let me style each button right here. So to do this, we are going to use this button element selector. Now border none, width for rim, the height for each button, for rim again, border radius 50%, text color white, margin 8 pixel, font size 1.5 rim, background transparent, box shadow 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 40 pixel, and having a shadow color gray, cursor pointer, font weight bold. Save and refresh the web page. Here we have. Now let me add a hover over effect over this button. So to do this, we use a pseudo class selector hover right here. Background hover. After that, background dark slate gray. And then over here, let me add a nice transition, a smooth transition right here. So transition 0.5 second is cursor pointer. Now when I save and refresh, here we have, right? That's it. As you can see here we have the calculator that we try to create. So over here, let me change the background color for these operators and also the text color for these symbols. To do this, let me create a separate class name right here. Over here, class, let me say math operator, then copy and paste right here, again paste right here, and then paste right here. Now using this class selector math operator, let me add the background color. So math operator, then background, let me say dark orange. Save and refresh the web page. Here we have. After that, you see, after that, now let me change the color for this button which is found in the first row. So let me create another class name over here. Let me say class symbol. Then copy this for the del and copy this for the percentage. After that, now let me style this. Let me style using this class selector symbol. Color aquamarine. Oh yeah everyone, we have just finished the CSS part for this calculator application. In the next section, we are going to make this calculator functional using JavaScript. Now let's dive right in.